It was my first time visiting Spain, but it never felt unfamiliar. My dad once lived in Madrid and often spoke of how much he missed it. Somehow, it felt like I was walking in his footsteps. This wasn't a trip I planned, it was one I needed. After a difficult year, my best friend insisted I spend Christmas with her and her family. She didn't want me to be alone. Maybe, deep down, neither did I. This trip taught me to notice the details, the way light dances on a wall, the texture of weathered stones, the stories etched in every corner. Each moment felt like a frame worth capturing. Maybe that's what I've been missing, slowing down enough to really see the world with new eyes.